Jai Gurudev, what you are seeing here is a hyperbaric oxygen therapy machine. We even have another bigger machine getting commissioned right next to this building. What is hyperbaric oxygen machine? Normally, when we breathe air, we get 21% of it is oxygen that gets into the body. In hyperbaric oxygen therapy HBOT machines, you get to breathe pure 100% oxygen purity. And not only that, you will be experiencing the pressure at 2.5 to 3 times the atmospheric pressure. So what it does, your oxygen levels in the system go up by 200 to 300% because it's a much higher pressure. And what happens is at these higher pressures, the pure oxygen gets dissolved into other body fluids as well. Normally, our oxygen is transported by red blood cell or corpuscles in the blood. But in this HBOT, the extra oxygen gets dissolved into other body fluids as well, like cerebrospinal fluid, lymphatic fluid, etc. So how does it help? These extra rich oxygen go into different parts of the tissue, and wherever damages have happened, the body heals that much faster. HBOT is known to be helping the body healing process much faster. And so what are the advantages? Why you should do this HBOT treatment? There are several numerous scientifically proven advantages. First and foremost, in the super rich oxygen atmosphere, our immunity body goes up because WBC cells multiply much faster. And it is known to cure some of the wounds which normally take a long time. For example, in diabetic patients, this gangrene or diabetic food, the wounds don't heal at all for a long time. So under very rich oxygen content, the more blood reaches, more oxygen reaches the wound, it heals much faster in accelerated fashion. The third thing which we have seen and we have experienced is that when so much of oxygen is there, the body tends to, in fact, multiply blood vessels, and more blood is flowing into the brain, and super rich oxygen blood is flowing. So many people have reported much better cognitive skills, memory, and things like that. And scientifically, it has been proved elsewhere, of course, that even people who had brain damage or stroke or other problems, this HBOT has responded very favorably and their problems have come down drastically because the wounds heal much faster now. Damaged brain, etc. heals much faster. And another notable thing which most people have also told us is that inflammation, if any, comes down, the pain comes down. But what I'm going to tell now is most important. The recent research study in Israel by 2 scientists has revealed some very startling facts. HBOT treatments helps to bring down the anti-aging process. So the research paper says that in the body at the cellular level, we age because of 2 things. One is called telomeres, other is called senescent cells. Telomeres are DNA-like substances found at the end of each chromosome, and as we grow older, their length becomes smaller and smaller. That causes aging. And other is senescent cells, which are malfunctioning cells, which have stopped reproducing, but at the same time, they're not dead also. These cells accumulate in the body. It has been found and established that at the end of some specific number of sessions in HBOT, the telomere length has in fact increased. You have to understand that if the telomere length remains the same, our aging process stops. In fact, it increasing, it shows that the body's aging process is reversed. They found in these patients, the batch of people who had the experiment, between 20 and 29% increase in length was found and documented. And the senescent cells reduction happened between 10 to 38% depending on the nature of the body and complications, whatever they had. So it's now proven, and that's why it's very much in demand all over the world, that this treatment is helping people to remain young in a way. The anti-aging properties of this treatment are now slowly getting documented and coming to the light. So I urge you to come and try out this. We have a beautiful set of machines in the ashram. Get the benefit of it. Jai Gurudev.